Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to our Linux journey. Today we are going to talk about one of the most fundamental and powerful commands in Linux universe, the mkdir command. Mkdir stands for make directory. It is a command that allows you to create new directories or folders in your file system. Think of it like building a new room in your digital house. So why is mkdir important? It organizes your files and projects with ease. Secondly, it creates a structure for your data, making it easier to navigate and find what you need. And lastly, it is essential for setting up new projects, installing software, and configuring your system. How to use the mkdir command. To create a new directory, we use the command mkdir new folder. Then we press enter. Then we'll list our current directory. We have successfully created a directory called new folder. Clear. To create a new directory and folder that does not exist, we use the command mkdir -p 2/jira ls. We have successfully created a directory called tools. Let's cd into tools. Cd tools ls. And let's cd into jira. Cd into jira. I have successfully created a new directory and folder that does not exist. To create several directories inside the parent directory, we use the command mkdir-p subject / curly braces maths English biology, and click on enter. ls. You can see the parent directory subject. Let's cd into subject directory ls. We have successfully created several directories inside the parent directory subjects. Clear. To create a new directory, test folder, and display a message indicating the directory was created, we use the command mkdir-v test folder. I have successfully created a directory called test folder, and it's displaying a message indicating that the directory was created. ls. You see that I've successfully created a directory called test folder. Clear. In conclusion, the mkdir command is a powerful tool for creating and organizing your digital space. Mastering it will make you a Linux rockstar. Stay tuned for more Linux command line tutorials, and let's keep exploring the amazing world of Linux together. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and recommend.